What are you doing?
I'm gonna try and get in shape, Mark. I don't work out enough. Amber, get out of the way. I think I'll do sit-ups. Okay. Stop sneezing, puppy, please! So much for sit-ups. Come on, I need to lose weight. Come here, I want to do some sit-ups, please. Please. I'm soaked. What is this all about? What is this all about?